Starting off, I have my eyebrows done. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop and Mocha. Place that all over my lid. And then I'm also gonna use my setting powder, which is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I'm just gonna place that all over my lid. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Please excuse my nails. I know you guys know this quarantine thing has us locked down and my nail shop is closed. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but it's killing me. You can either use concealer or this white base from NYX. And I'm gonna use my setting powder and I'm gonna pat that all over. So the palette that I'm gonna be using today is the lovely Jaclyn Hill palette. So the first shade that I'm gonna apply is Roxanne, and using this end of the brush, I got this brush from Ulta. Once you spend so much with NYX, they give you this free brush. And I'm just gonna apply that in my crease using a windshield wiper motion, starting from the outer and slowly moving it inward, applying it 8 times to make it more vibrant. And I love this palette. I have used it a couple times with other tutorials and I will link those up above. I did a beautiful blue eye cut crease and also a pink. I know a lot of times us darker complexions, we're not able to get shades to actually show up on our skin, but this one is great for all skin tones. Okay, so once you have that done and it's blended correctly, we're gonna use this dark red color. The name of it is Jax. The opposite side of this brush, which is a little more compact and precise. Apply that to the outer corners because we're doing a cut crease. And you do it in a V shape. And again, we're gonna build that up, applying it numerous times. And you wanna do that on the outer corner and the inner corner since we're doing a halo look. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Support your sister, okay? Once you have that applied, once you have that applied, then we're gonna use this shade right here, using the same side of the brush, the compact side. And we're just gonna repeat this step on the outer corners. Okay, so once you have that done, we're going to again apply concealer, but we're gonna do it to the middle. That way it gives that halo look. And apply the setting powder. Next, I'm gonna use a basic eyeshadow brush. I'm going to apply hunts. Pat that in. You don't want to swipe because you want the color, most of the color, to be on your eye. Once that's applied over the concealer, you can use the same brush and just blend out the edges of that halo. The way it just nips. Okay, and once you're finished with that, use the same brush that we applied the orange. We'll use this shade right here. It's a glitter shade called Little Lady. And pat it in over the orange. Am I the only one, when you're doing your makeup, you lose all your brushes, concealer? Like, where did I put it? It's like right there in your face. This is why it takes me forever. Found it. I'm gonna spray it with my setting powder. Spray a little bit on my brush, that way that glitter can pop. I think we should have a little shimmer in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna use second shade right here. It's called Bean. We're gonna apply that with a little brush. This is like a pointy tip brush. And I'm also gonna spray it with the setting powder. Okay, you guys, my eyes are done. I'm just gonna go in and do my foundation. I'm using this new technique that I saw on TikTok, where you put the moisturizer and then the setting powder, and then you spray it with your setting spray, and then you use a primer, and it's supposed to make your makeup last long and no creases. So we shall see. And guys, I see a lot of people panicking because of what's going on right now. We are not in control, and all we can do is call on the Lord. Let's get down on our knees and pray to the Lord for help, because worrying does nothing for us. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Please like and comment, and for more like, please subscribe. Contour, no, crease brush.